Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to withdraw USDC from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, this process has gotten even smoother thanks to updated interfaces and enhanced security features. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your funds or an experienced trader optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and Gemini. If you don't, head over to their websites and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged into your Bitrue account, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your holdings, including USDC. Click on USDC to access its details. Next, look for the Withdraw button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to select the network for your withdrawal. Remember, USDC is typically on the Ethereum blockchain, so double-check that matches Gemini's requirements to avoid any delays or lost funds. In 2025, Bitrue has introduced a user-friendly network selector, making this step easier than ever. Now, enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees, which might have decreased due to 2025's efficiency upgrades. Then, paste in your Gemini wallet address. Pro tip: always verify this address on your Gemini account to prevent errors. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Before confirming, you'll need to go through two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a crucial security step that's become even more robust in 2025, so enable it if you haven't already. Once authenticated, review the details one last time and hit confirm. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but network congestion could add some time. Once it's done, hop over to your Gemini account and check your balance. You should see your USDC reflected there. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, always stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage and keep an eye on market news. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.